Okay, we're back at PH220, the Utopian Society, and we're going over Unit 1 today. So Unit 1 is Introductions and Current Understandings. Unit 1 is only 1 week, 1 week unit. It's basically just to get you introduced to the topic and to give you a little bit of a primer on philosophy itself. So you'll see the first thing in the complete the tasks for Module 1 is watch this video. So this video is the first thing in the list. Then the readings and viewings come up next. In the readings and viewings, I've got a PDF on the branches of philosophy. That will help you see philosophy from a broader standpoint, the love of knowledge, and how to equate utopia or utopian societies with a philosophical approach. Then you'll see another PDF, The Concepts of Utopia, which is a fairly long article. I think it's like 25 pages on Utopia. This is from 2010. That article will give you a good opportunity to see some of the ideas of what Utopia is, what it isn't. Then the next thing is Thomas More's Utopia. This is just a timeline that you can go through. This is something you should keep at your disposal throughout the semester. Since Thomas More was the person who originally coined the term utopia, although there were utopian societies set up way prior to the 1500s when Thomas More coined the term. Matter of fact, if you think about the Garden of Eden from the Bible was probably one of the first utopian societies or utopias that was set up, and that's where we saw the concept of utopia brought up initially, but the term utopia was actually coined by Thomas More. So there's a whole timeline of Thomas More's philosophy in that link. And then finally is the watch the New Reasons for Utopia video. This was a TED Talk on the history of utopian thinking. And I thought this guy did a really good job explaining the timeline of utopia or utopian societies. He also does a pretty good job delineating between utopia as in Utopia and Eutopia. So two different meanings of utopia that oftentimes gets used interchangeably. So he does a pretty good job of covering that, and then also a little bit on dystopia. So because we'll touch on that as well in this course. So those are the readings, viewings that you have to do throughout this week. And then your only homework assignment for the week is discussion forum 1. And basically it's a who are you and why are you here? So you can take that as philosophical as you want. I was actually being literal. Who are you? Tell us who you are and where you're from, what major, and then finally, why are you here? Why taking a course on utopian society or philosophy, or why are you taking this course? So that's really what I'm looking for in this first discussion forum. It's basically a get to know each other type of thing. So that is your assignment for the week. Those are your assignments for the week. And again, each unit will have the overview and tasks at the top, the assigned readings and viewings after that, and then the homework assignments listed after that. So this 1 week unit will help you to understand how I set up my course And then by Unit 2, we'll all be pros, and that is a 3-week unit, so there's a lot more in that unit and a lot more assignments. So look forward to this week. Look forward to the discussion forums and the discussions that happen. The interactions should be really good. Again, really looking for just who you are and why you're here. So that should evoke a lot of conversation between you in the discussion forum. So have a great week. If you have any problems, my cell phone number is 207-975-9330, and you can reach out to me anytime. Thanks a lot. Have a great week.